how to create your own sound on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now go to Media at the bottom right corner. You can choose photos or videos from your camera roll here. Now go to the video section as shown. Select the video you want from here. And then tap on Next at the bottom. On this screen, go to the top and tap on Add Sound. Here you can view and explore all the available sounds on TikTok. Now, go to the top corner and tap on the search icon. Here, tap on Discover More Sounds under the search bar. Then, go to the Your Sound section as shown. And then, tap on Import Sound from Video. Here, select the video you want from your camera roll. Then, tap on Import Sound from Video at the bottom. Now, select the imported sound from here. You have now successfully added this sound to the video. After that, tap on Next at the bottom. You can also add a caption and manage other settings here before posting. Following these steps, you can easily create your own sound on TikTok.